analyze. I think it's also very important to discuss, particularly, we see AI as a big buzzword these days, and I'm sure we're all, using ChatGPT quite frequently, or Claude, or whatever is available to us. Um, but when we talk about AI in the industrial environment and the tech stack, it's becoming increasingly important in the implementation and utilization of projects, particularly when it comes down to managing, predicting, and dealing with energy efficiency and demand side management. So we have modern facilities that generate tremendous amounts of operational data. Um, and I have seen, or we have seen over the last 2 decades, that the challenge is not just collecting information. It's knowing what to do with it, how to use it, and how to leverage it for the betterment of the organization, right? So when we talk about how AI can be used, obviously it's integrated into a platform with analytics and reporting and so on and so forth, but it can help with a number of issues, right? It can help to detect inefficiencies early. It can help to identify root causes quickly. It can improve maintenance planning in terms of predictive maintenance. It can continuously optimize performance. Now, this is a very important part, because if you have a platform in place that you put in, let's say for the management of a chiller infrastructure or cooling infrastructure, um, you have performance optimized at the first stage or the second stage. However, things start to change, and you want to be able to do this on a continuous basis. So when you have a tech stack or you have an AI platform, you want to be able to layer efficiency performance on top of the existing efficiency performance that has already been achieved. So it would use the efficiency performance in the first stage as a benchmark, using the tech stack and using the AI tools available to increase the performance in the second phase, and so on and so forth. And that's why the implementation of the tech stack and AI analytics is very, very, very critical here. So, we see that AI analytics and tech helps us to make decisions faster on a number of fronts. Um, well, I think we most of us know the question to this, but the answer to this. But the reason we feel that demand side management or energy efficiency matters now more than ever is because there's a period of unprecedented growth in manufacturing in this space. It's driven by the demand for data centers, the demand for chips, the demand for memory. You've got artificial intelligence, which is absolutely booming. I mean, there are trillion-dollar IPOs coming up for the likes of Anthropic and for OpenAI, and these are all driven by the hardware and the picks and shovels that are provided by organizations like yours. So we have the AI boom, which is not going to apparently slow down for the next 5, 10, 15, 20 years. It's just going to increase as people find more and more utilizations for the technology. Advanced packaging is important. High performance compute is very, very important. Data center expansion is a huge factor. Um, at the same electrification, obviously. At the same time, though, particularly in the Philippines, where we've got one of the highest power cost structures in the region, if not the highest. We have electricity costs rising. We have surcharges that are coming, even if you have long-term contracts. We have sustainability commitments that world-class organizations like yours adhere to. We have increasing cooling requirements as capacity expands, and there's always a pressure to maximize asset utilization. So these are very, very important drivers of demand and drivers of the increase in capacity requirements. So we look at the next generation of competitive advantage, and that it won't come from building more capacity. It will also come uh, um, from operating existing capacity